Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Khadid Marshall and I'm going to give you the news rundown in the Jamaican language. Make sure you follow our YouTube page for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. Police charge one 15-year-old boy for killing one shopkeeper in our yard. Dead a 56-year-old Paula Raphael who come from Unity Lane in a Kingston. According to the police report, around 11:15 in the morning, Miss Raphael been asleep her yard when the teenager walked up to her and shut her up. People rushed to the hospital where doctor said she dead. Dr. Christopher Tufton, who the Minister for Health, tell the country said the new variant were part of the coronavirus they in the country. Tufton said him know people are fret about more, but people have to take heed, take the vaccine and wash them hands. But Jacqueline Besesa Mackenzie, or the Chief Medical Officer, CMO, said although more might have caused problems and them a watch it, a Delta has caused the most problem in the country right now. The police report said one man get shot and killed on Orange Street downtown this morning. The man been sit down on one stool in front of one place where sell food when gunman walk up to him and shot him up. The man dead on the spot. The Caribbean Examination Council, CXC, said them are going to put out the exam result them in the early to middle part of October. CXC said them are work quick, although coronavirus has caused problem for them. CXC said them are put out the result them in a 3-part. The Ministry for Education are going to get them first. Then them keep one giant meeting with the Ministers for Education then. Then people who take the exam are going to get the result them on October 15 or before the day. Now for liquor sports. Even though Sharika Jackson run one new fast time for herself in the 200 meter, she still comes second in the Wanda Diamond League final where go on at Letzigrund Stadium in Zurich, Switzerland. Sharika run 21.81 second, but the runner from Namibia, named Christine Mboma, catch her on the line for get the gold medal. Mboma win the race in a 21.78 second to set one world junior record. Mboma then beat Sharika last week in Brussels. Jackson time in the 200 meter before the finals have been 21.82 seconds. Dina Asha Smith from Great Britain come third in a 22.19 seconds. Me name Khadid Marshall and that are the news rundown in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.